Mary!
You look so cute.
Oh, hey, do you know what? I am the head of the sleigh this year.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. You're Rudolph.
And look.
And you have a hood with antlers. And
Just
she's
saying.
got the little jingle, but I can't. I love that you embrace the theme.
Oh my gosh.
Thank
well,
you, my
if
friend.
I'm going to be on the sleigh, I'm the driving it. Okay?
That's my girl.
It's the only way it's happening.
Lisa Lasorda is joining us from the Temp-tations family. These are new for us this month. Already 2,000 have been ordered. It's our only order of the year. It's the set of 2 Figural bamboo cutting boards. We were chatting about these, Lisa. These are a customer request.
Oh, they love them. So remember how in our stoneware we have incorporated some of our bamboo pieces and you love them. So a customer request was, could you just sell some bamboo on its own?
Right.
So a couple things. We put them figural because these are the cutest patterns at the cutest time of the year. Thank you for holding up what it replaces right over here.
We're getting rid of this. Okay?
Yes.
And we're now cutting with that. It's so
Sure,
cute.
because these are adorable and they're part of our whimsy collection. But a few things, let's talk about bamboo. So number one, this is the larger one is 17 inches tall. The smaller one is 15 inches tall. Absolutely adorable. And then look what we did here, Mary. Figural. So it's a cute little gingerbread. So you kind of get the large and the mini me. But let's talk about why bamboo. Super strong. Actually, do you know that bamboo can be as strong as concrete?
I've heard that.
They build homes with it in Asia.
True.
So listen.
That's true.
This is no joke cutting board. This is going to last forever. The depth that we gave you is really great so that when you go to cut on things, it's not a flimsy cutting board. And then if you noticed, we actually did the old world and the floral lace mix pattern on one side.
So sweet.
What's so unique and just like our Temp-tations stoneware is because this is bamboo, do you see how it takes the highs and the lows of the wood? Absolutely gorgeous. So here's what you do. This side you're going to keep pristine and serve on because this is food safe. This side you're going to cut on.
Smart.
Okay, and don't forget that. That's important. Okay, because you want it to be pretty. Oh, and did I mention that it comes in a gift box?
How lovely is that? I mean, it's not even a bow and go. It's just go.
It's just go. And by the way, I took one out to see if it would look like you just kept one for yourself and you gave less of a gift. Nope, you're good to go. Keep one for yourself.
It doesn't look like anything's missing.
It doesn't.
So we have the gingerbread.
Look how cute this is, right?
I love it.
This is your Christmas tree. So again, this is how your table just comes to life because you can prep on here, you can serve on here because it's food safe, and you're going to hand wash it, of course. And the snowman, like, oh, Mary.
I'm bringing my snowman next to the snowman.
Clearly.
So it's a set of 2,
Look, it
right?
looks like he has eyes, doesn't it?
We're getting one large and one small. That's perfect.
Look.
Oh, they're all friends.
All 3. It's a trio.
So you have your choice, gingerbread, snowman, or tree.
Yeah.
You get one large cutting board, one small cutting board, and of course the gift box. Now, the large is about 15 inches long.
Yes.
And the small is about 12 inches
12
long. I
inches.
love that we call that small.
Yes.
But it's food safe, and then I love the
Yeah.
fact 6 easy payments of $5.
Come on. This is a fantastic gift because here's the thing, and this is true with all Temp-tations, right? Everybody needs a cutting board.
Yes.
So why not have it be a conversation piece and super cute? What I love is when you're not using them, stand them up like this against your backsplash.
Totally would.
And they look like a family. Like Stacy Stauffer got 2 sets because it's the 2 boys and her husband and herself.
Stacy.
How cute is that?
That is so sweet.
Right?
And her kitchen is phenomenal.
Yeah, slightly,
I want
right?
to be in Stacy's kitchen.
Yeah, me too.
But you know what? This is that beautiful gift to give because it's functional, and that's what we love about Temp-tations is it's not only beautiful to look at, it's also functional. That might be the prettiest Yule log I've ever seen.
I know, and the thing is, don't be afraid to use it. You know, you actually have 2 cutting boards in one. You're going to have one side for cutting, and you're going to have the other side for serving.
Chef Crystal made that?
Did
oh my
she?
gosh. She's like, no, stop it. That might have been David. I don't know. Our
Look
team here is so
How
incredibly
beautiful
talented.
this is. So again, you're serving, but this is a conversation piece. As people come up to it, they say, oh, wait a second, is that a gingerbread?
Yeah.
And look, we did lollipop lamb chops over here.
Oh, that's cool.
On the snowman. So this is food safe, but you're going to hand wash it, okay? Don't put this in the dishwasher.
Thank you. I was
No,
just
no,
going to
no, no.
ask you.
And then you see, when you get Temp-tations home, you just get so creative, right? So you could actually just do 3 cakes right here, sprinkle them with some coconut, make a little hat with a candy. This is just half of one of those, you know, the chocolate thins.
Yeah, yeah.
Just cut it in half. I mean, look how cute that is, Mary.
That is so very sweet. And, you know, I love your idea about on the side that is decorative,
Yeah.
don't cut on that side. Just leave it for presenting.
Yes.
But then on the other side, you can use it as a cutting board. But remember, I'm gonna come down and show you the choices while Lisa goes to the oven. So come with me down this way. We have the gingerbread still available. You get one in large and one in small. We also still have the Christmas tree, one in large, one in small. And then we have the snowman, one in large, one in small. Snowman is most popular, and it all comes with those gorgeous gift box. So you get a gift box with each and every set, depending on which one you get. You all get the gorgeous gift box.
Love.
It is less than $30, and we still have the muffins to go.
And we still have this to go, but this is what I love. Something hot out of the oven, like the muffins, which don't have a wrought iron rack. Not all of our pieces do. Perfect. Put it right down on top of here, and you're good to go. Now I have a trivet. So it's a trivet, it's a cutting board, it's a serving piece. Do you like charcuterie boards and cheese boards and things like that?
I have posted so many dinner on a board photos. I love dinner on a board.
So,
this is beautiful.
Yeah, over here we did that, and I think this is so much fun because you have two, you could put meat on one, cheese on one. I mean, there's so many fun things you could do with this.
And as far as presenting, I don't want to put this out, the one that's in my hands, I don't want to put this out in front of company. It gets stained.
Yeah, it does.
Gets those crease marks in it. And quite frankly, they can be difficult to clean, and they just don't look pretty for company.
Just not so pretty, yep.
This is how you do it. You do it with Temp-tations. Remember, we have the gingerbread available. We have the Christmas tree still available, and we have the snowman available, and it's less than $30. It's on 6 easy payments of $5. Remember, if you're ordering in the show, you will get it in time for Christmas Day, and everything at QVC is on 6 easy payments until the end of the day tomorrow. Rudolph, is this your dinner?
Yes, this is what we're having. This is what the reindeer and I are having. Are there 8 reindeer and Rudolph? Is that how it goes?
8 tiny reindeer, yes. I think that's
and
true.
Rudolph makes 9?
Jump on our live stream and tell us, is it 8 or 9
Is
total?
that right?
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen, but do you recall? Yeah, 9.
The most famous reindeer of all.
Yeah, 9. Wow, that was holiday
We're
on
ready.
speed dial.
But come on, look!
Holiday broccoli!
It's a Christmas tree crudité. How cute is that?
That's so great.
Just saying.
So that's going to wrap up on our first Temp-tations item. We still have one more to go, and continue.